It is a very active night. We're tracking a lot of winter weather across the area. For a matter of fact, I can hear that sleet falling just outside the door next to me here. It is a mess. So if you don't have to get out tonight, it's one of those nights that you want to stay in and stay safe. We're going to zoom in pretty close on some of these areas and the radar. We've got a lot of activity showing up along Route 13 where we see some of these darker blues. That's where we're seeing some of that heavier sleet coming down. And I'm getting a lot of reports that the roads are already deteriorating quite quickly, and also that it's very difficult to see as this is coming down. So slow down if you have to get out. If you don't have to get out, it's just a night to stay in. Now, if you are located a bit further north, so we're talking up into Jefferson County, Perry County, DuQuoin, Hamilton, not seeing such substantial amounts. But again, further to the south, we've got the sleet. And of course, when you push even further south through the southern 7 in southern Illinois, where we've got these pinks showing up, that's freezing rain. So that will also be an issue late tonight and into early tomorrow. Switching the view a little bit further back into southeastern Missouri, really a very similar story there. A lot of activity showing up along Interstate 55 back towards Fredericktown, down through Advance, Puxico, and towards Poplar Bluff. So a mess no matter how you split it tonight. That threat tracker bar is way up as we track that winter mix tonight and into early tomorrow. So early tomorrow morning, we should start to see a break in the activity, but it'll be still slick in the morning hours. And then we see another chance for some winter weather coming in for our southern counties by the afternoon. So round 3 will be making its way in again by tomorrow afternoon and evening. By the time we get to Wednesday, we'll start seeing improvement when it comes to some of the active weather. So this is a look at some of the winter weather alerts across the area through Wednesday. The bright pink counties that you see extending through southern Illinois and back into southeastern Missouri, that's a winter storm warning. That's in place until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Surrounding that, these light purple counties, that is a winter weather advisory, and that's also in place until 9 a.m. tomorrow. The ice storm warning is in effect through Wednesday morning for far northwest Tennessee. So that's something that we'll have to keep in mind for round 3. But as of right now, let's just get through round 2 first. So lots of activity will stick around through the next couple of hours. We'll start to see the heaviest precipitation making its way out of the area by the time we get into the early morning hours tomorrow. But by 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, we've got temperatures still back into the teens and the low 20s, and it is going to be very, very slick. So make sure you're allowing yourself plenty of time as you're heading out the door tomorrow. And if you don't have to get out, of course, stay in. Our next round starts to make its way in by the time we get to the afternoon. If you are going to be in parts of southern Illinois, really not expecting much of an impact from this round. But if you're further south, that's where our focus will be tomorrow afternoon and into the evening hours. Another chance for a winter mix and some ice across the area. So a very active couple of days. This is what you need to know tonight. We're talking ½ an inch to an inch of sleet and snow across parts of southern Illinois and southeastern Missouri, along with some light ice. The further south, you get up to 1/10 of an inch across parts of western Kentucky and back into the Boot Heel. Very slick roads tonight and into tomorrow. So not a substantial amount when it comes to accumulations, but definitely enough to cause some serious travel issues. Here's the good news. If you are sick of the snow and the ice, well, we've got warmer temperatures coming our way. We've got to get through the next couple of days, but by Thursday, we're up to 43. We dip a little bit by Friday, but check it out. Sunday and into Monday, we will see those temperatures coming back up into the 50s, and that'll be a lot more comfortable than what it is now.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it will. I cannot wait.
And we're also getting word that the Brookport Bridge, the bridge connecting Brookport to Paducah, is closed tonight because of all that icing, and it'll stay closed until it warms up enough to melt that ice, which could be Wednesday. So just be aware of that.
All right. Thank you both. Well, you're in